If you want to give your single switch users a way to choose videos to watch, you can create the opportunity for them to do that in Google Slides. You can insert videos from your Google Drive or from YouTube. This gives you the opportunity to insert videos of reading different books or different lessons the students may have missed, or you can insert videos the student likes to watch for fun, like music videos. If you're working on teaching your students switch skills, you can insert some preferred and some non-preferred videos. Let's take a look at how to insert those videos. So here I've added a few already. Let me just go in and add a new slide so we can start from the beginning. And then we're going to go up to Insert, and then we're going to go down to Video. And now you can see I have the option to insert any video from my Google Drive. I'll just choose this one over here and say Insert. Now you'll see immediately to the right-hand side, I get some format options. And this is going to be the key to making this work. By default, these videos will play when someone clicks on them. But for single switch users, you are going to want that to play automatically. That way, as students advance through the slide, they'll automatically get a preview of the video that's playing on that slide. So you can leave this the size of the slide if you'd like, but I like to make it a little bit smaller so that I'm sure to include some text as well. The more we can give students access to text, the better. So I would just title this, and I might format that too just by going up to the top and putting the title in the middle. And so that's how you would insert a video from your Google Drive. Now let's add another slide here so we can take a look at how you would insert one from YouTube. So again, we go to Insert and we go to Video. And now we just click on YouTube up here, and you can search for something specific or paste a link right in there. I'm just going to search for music videos. Okay, so here I can just grab any of these, click on one, say Insert, and now again, I can make this as big as I want. And I just want to make sure that it will play automatically as the slide comes up. And again, I would add a title. But let's take a look at how this would work for a student who's using a switch. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my slideshow from the beginning here. And so a student could hit their switch that's programmed to be a mouse click or enter. Either one would work. And they'll get a little preview of this one. If that's not the video they want, they'd click their switch again. That's going to go on to the next video. They can choose to watch it or go on to the next one with just a click of their switch. So you can see how this gives students the opportunity to use a switch in a meaningful way. Now, if you're on this slide and you forgot to set it maybe to play automatically, just remember that you need to select that video, and then your format options will come up here. If my video isn't selected, I don't see any format options. But once I click on the video, now I can choose to play that video automatically when the slide advances.